What's good, YouTube? It's me, T-Dubs, and I am back with another banger. And yes, before I even say anything, yeah, it's not fake, bro. I really did it. I bought me a bike, man. Well, actually, it's about a few days ago now, but yeah, I do got a bike up and running. I'm about to let y'all see in a sec. But before I even get all into that, man, I want y'all to subscribe, like, and comment if y'all new to the channel already. Don't forget to hit up my boy Ajax's channel, man. I'm at his house right now. He got the G8 and stuff, man. Should I tell him what's going on with your car or no? Well, I don't even know what's wrong with it for real. He gonna have to tell y'all himself. I'm gonna let him tell y'all that in a little bit.
Always something.
Always something, man. It's always something. I'm gonna let him tell y'all about that in a sec, but let me show y'all this bike really quick. Ooh, there she is. Ooh, whew. Yamaha R6, man. And oh, before I even let y'all hear, I do gotta let y'all know that I took the exhaust off. I should have let y'all hear it with the exhaust on, but it was something about the exhaust it was missing. The exhaust was cool, like it had a good sound there. It was just missing something, so I think I might end up going toast on the exhaust like I've been wanting. But I still got the crop of its headed, so it's gonna be louder than a regular toast, so I'm kind of happy. Man, what you think about it?
Is it gonna make it louder? What is it gonna do? Make it louder?
It's gonna make it louder and deeper at the same time, because the headers is custom too, so that's already loud.
Is the idle gonna sound good too?
Yeah. Right now, you know how it's like choppy, like it's gonna be like a constant.
It's kind of like a good, like a filtered, like a good sounding.
That's what it sounds now, but I'm trying to make it sound like a. I don't want the chopping to be so slow. I want it to be like do like that.
Like
so that's what the toast gonna do, yeah. Cause that little choppy, so I don't like that for real. It's on scale, like my stuff gonna cut off. But
I can tell the difference though when you did take it off.
Yeah, already, huh? Even in the idle.
Especially when I was riding it too, because it's like you can feel it a little bit more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm gonna end up getting the exhaust. And Jack over there.
What's up?
Yeah,
What's my glove money?
Yo, what?
What my glove money and my turtle?
I ain't lose his turtle, yo.
Come on,
I do got his gloves, but I ain't know
And
this
my
turtle, man.
You took my turtle out of there.
Oh my God.
It's a long turtle story.
Yeah, it's a long turtle story, bro.
Boy took my turtle
Bro,
out.
you heard Stevon ran over a turtle? He said he ran over a turtle on Douglas.
Huh?
Stevon ran over a turtle on Douglas.
Man. See, my gloves and my turtle, man.
I take the turtle.
He let you ride a bike though.
I let you. You gotta have fun on the bike.
Look, everything but the hands.
You wanna ride again?
He had his hands to my turtle. Now I use my hands to my gloves. See, you keep your hands in your pocket right around here.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna get you another turtle, man. That's gonna be a video.
No,
y'all.
man.
I'm gonna get him another turtle. That's gonna be a video. What gender you want? I'm gonna get the gender and everything. I'm gonna get him another turtle.
I was gonna get I had that turtle when he was little, man.
I'm gonna get. All right, so you want a little turtle?
That was a girl, but I'm a girl boy. I'm breeding turtles, man. But damn, you lose that one.
All right, I got. We gonna get him a turtle,
I
bro.
didn't even know it was a girl because when he's asking her, did we find her? He's like, did you find her? He's like, it's a what? It's a her. He's like, yeah, it's a her.
he made that up. He wanted it to be a her.
Yeah.
He don't know. Yeah, see, that's kind of loud, but I'm not gonna rev it because it's kind of early. It's like 10 in the morning, huh? I took the exhaust off
What?
because I ain't like it. I might get a new one.
I gonna take it off first. Oh, it look sweet right there. Boy, you be doing too much.
I'm about to get another one.
That boy
I'm
be
getting another one in a
doing
couple
too
days,
much,
man.
The sound ain't about to look. It's about the
Yeah,
sound.
it sound better. It's gonna sound better for tonight, though.
Take your tire off.
It's gonna sound
Take
better
your
for
tire
tonight.
ride with no tire. Huh?
God damn. What's up with the tire?
Take it off and ride with one on. Let's ride Willie's all day on the bike.
Nah, I ain't there yet. I will eventually. When I come, man, when I buy you a turtle, you better ever say nothing about
Man,
nothing.
buy it first. Buy it.
I'm gonna buy you a turtle, bro. You do all that talking to take my bike. All the talking just to take my bike. Now he happy. What's up with him, bro?
Time he wanted to ride it.
What's wrong with him, man? Crazy.